Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody to this online class. Student, in my previous video, I have discussed 5 questions of exercise 8.1 and I hope that all of you have completed the 5 questions of exercise 8.1 in your notebook. So student, in this video, I am going to discuss of question number 6 of exercise 8.1. So student, I am writing the question on the board. Express the following as centimeter using decimals. Student, there are many parts are given in this question, but here I am taking only 3 parts. That is very most important, and remaining parts is homework for you. So part A, student, is 2 millimeter. Mm is the short form of the millimeter, and I am taking here C part 116 millimeter, and D part is 4 centimeter and 2 millimeter. This is the question, student. And B part and E part and F part. Is that homework for you? ये आपके लिए homework है. According to these parts, you will solve these remaining parts. So, student, firstly we try to understand the meaning of the question. Express means व्यक्त करना. Express the following as centimeter using decimal means नीचे दिए हुए वैल्यू को सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करना है, बट बाय यूजिंग द डेसिमल यूज करके आपको इसको सेंटीमीटर में एक्सप्रेस करना है, व्यक्त करना है, चेंज करना है. सो स्टूडेंट, आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व solution A. We have 2 millimeter. We need to change this 2 millimeter in centimeter. हमको इसको चेंज किस में करना है? सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करना है. So student, firstly we want to know the scale. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. You know very well. You have learned it in class 5th. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter student, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Opposite, this is the straight scale. ये सीधा स्केल है, सीधा सीधा आपसे पूछ रहा है 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 मिलीमीटर, बट दिस इज अपोजिट स्केल. ये उल्टा है, 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Because 10, this is 10, 1 centimeter 10 millimeter. You have learned in class 5th. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10. If I ask you 4 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? Then you can say according to this scale 4 upon 10. In 5 millimeter 5 upon 10. In 6 millimeter 6 upon 10. But in this question we need to find out 2 millimeter. We need to change 2 millimeter in centimeter. So 2 millimeter is equal to 2 upon 10, student. Very easy. 2 upon 10 centimeter. But question was saying change in centimeter. I have changed in centimeter here. But using the decimal, write the value in decimal numbers. हमें सेंटीमीटर तो बताना है, लेकिन डेसिमल में राइट करना है आंसर को. सो स्टूडेंट, फॉर राइटिंग द डेसिमल वी डिवाइड 2 by 10 and 2 is a whole number, you know, and the decimal point is into at the last, you know very well, and this 10 has 1 0, so decimal point will shift to the left after one digit, so you can write 0.2 centimeter. This is my answer. ये मेरा आंसर है स्टूडेंट. Now you have changed 2 millimeter in centimeter by using the decimal. I hope student you have understood this part, and come to the next part, that is C part. 116 millimeter. Absolutely, this method you will apply in this part. C part, we have 116 millimeter. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. You know very well. So 116 millimeter. So 116. Sorry student. Firstly, find the value of 1 millimeter. 1 milli. So 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Now, after this step, you will find the value of 116 millimeter. So, 116 millimeter is equal to 116 upon 10 centimeter. 116 has changed in centimeter, but need to write the value in decimals. So, student, we divide 116 by 10. And you know that 116 is a whole number. And if you need to put the decimal point in 116, so you will mention after the 116, at the last of 116. And when you divide by 10, so you are seeing here that 10 has 1 0. So your decimal point will shift after one digit to the left. In dividing, decimal move to the left, and in multiplication, decimal shift to the right. You know. So, student, after dividing, we get one digit. 10 has 1 0. So decimal point will move one digit to the left. So you use the decimal point before 6. So you get the answer 11.6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. 11.6 centimeter. This is my answer. Now you have changed 116 millimeter in centimeter by using the decimal. This is my answer. Now come to the next part, D part, student. 4 centimeter 2 millimeter. In this question, two scales are given. Centimeter and millimeter both are included in this question. And question was saying that you change only in centimeter. आपको क्वेश्चन में चेंज किस में करना था? ओनली इन सेंटीमीटर. बट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन इन सेंटीमीटर एंड मिलीमीटर बोथ. सो स्टूडेंट, सेंटीमीटर वैल्यू वी विल नॉट टच. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस वैल्यू इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन सेंटीमीटर एंड क्वेश्चन वाज सेइंग चेंज इन सेंटीमीटर. व्हाई वी टच इट? हम इसको टच क्यों करेंगे when this value is given already in centimeter? So we need to change only 2 millimeter in centimeter, and at the last we add both value together. और लास्ट में दोनों वैल्यू को हम ऐड कर देंगे. We get the answer. So student, according to this method you will apply here. इसी मेथड के अनुसार आप इसको भी करेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट, वी हैव 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड 2 millimeter. Don't touch 4 centimeter. Only change 2 millimeter in centimeter. And when you will able to change 2 millimeter in centimeter, you will add 4 centimeter and this value also. So student, we know that 1 centimeter, I'm writing the straight scale. Firstly, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. We need to find the value of 2 millimeter. So 2 millimeter is equal to 2 upon 10 centimeter. But write this value in decimal. For this we divide 2 by 10, and here in part first you have already divided 2 by 10. According to this we can write 0.2 centimeter. It means you have changed 2 millimeter in centimeter. आपने 2 millimeter को सेंटीमीटर में चेंज कर दिया है. But you need to write this value in centimeter. आपको इस वैल्यू को सेंटीमीटर में राइट करना था. So therefore in last line you will write therefore 4 centimeter 2 millimeter is equal to 4 centimeter is already given. Don't touch it, no need to change it. And 2 millimeter, the value of 2 millimeter in centimeter is 0.2. So we add 0.2 in 4. And then we get 4.2 centimeter. This is my answer. Student. I hope student you have understood question number 6 very well. And according to these 3 parts you will solve these 3 remaining parts, B, E and F. Is that homework for you? ये आपके लिए होमवर्क है, आप इसको करेंगे. So student, come to the next question. That is the question number 7. But student, here I am leaving the question number 7. I am going to solve question number 8 here. You will do question number 7 yourself. But question number 7 you will solve according to question number 8. 8 मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूं, 8 के अकॉर्डिंग आप 7 सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट. सो I am going to write the question, student. Question number 8 is saying, show the following numbers on the number line. On the number line. A part is 0.2, B is 1.9, C part is 1.1 and D part is 2.5. Student, firstly try to understand the meaning of the question. Show the following numbers on the number line. You know about the number line very well. I have told you in my previous video. So all these decimal number you need to show on the number line. So I am going to solve the question number 8, student. For doing this question, firstly we draw the number line and all parts we are going to do on one number line. So student, firstly we draw the number line. We draw a line and in middle we take 0. To the right side from 0 we represent the positive numbers and to the left side from 0 we represent the negative numbers. So student, we mention the whole numbers. Firstly we divide this line, this distance equal to many parts as you need. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. And student, you are seeing here that there is no any negative numbers. So we not need to mention the numbers to this side. इस साइड में मुझे नंबर को शो करने की जरूरत नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? बिकॉज ऑल द गिवन नंबर्स आर पॉजिटिव. आफ्टर दिस स्टूडेंट, if you want to show the numbers, negative numbers, then you are free like this: -1, -2 and -3, like this. There is no use of this number in this question. So student, you are seeing that all decimal number are written to the 10th place. Decimal parts of the decimal number belongs to the only till to 10th place. आप देख रहे हैं 10th place, 10th place, 10th place and 10th place. So student, we divide the distance between two units equal to 10 parts. Very simple. आप पहले डेसिमल नंबर को चेक करेंगे कि इसका डेसिमल पार्ट कितने प्लेस तक है. If decimal parts belongs to 10th place, you will divide the distance between two whole numbers equal to 10 equal parts. If decimal parts belong to 100th place, then you will divide the distance between two units equal to 100 parts. If decimal parts belongs to 1000th place, then you will divide the distance between two units, between one unit two whole number means two whole numbers, distance between two whole number equal to 1000 parts, equal parts. But student, in this question you are seeing that all decimal numbers belong to the only till to 10th place. So we divide the distance between two whole numbers equal to 10 parts. Like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But this part should be equal. ये इक्वल पार्ट होने चाहिए, ये इक्वल पार्ट्स होने चाहिए. Like this, you will divide this unit distance equal to 10 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These two parts are large, but you will care that all parts should be equal. According to this, we divide this unit distance equal to 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 5. Now, student, we need to show point 2 on the number line. So, this is point 1. This is point 1. It means 1 upon 10. This point is so 1 upon 10. And 1 upon 10 means 1 upon 10. Here is decimal point. And when you will divide 1 by 10, you get 0.1. It means this point belongs, this point show the point 1. And this point 2. This is point 2. This part belongs to point 2. It means this point, you will write the name of this point. Suppose that A. Now you can say that point A show the 0.2 on the number line. And B is 1.9. 1 is whole number. So here is 1. And point for finding the point 9, we move to the forward from 1. 1 के आगे हम move करेंगे. So 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 and 1.9. This is 1.9. And the name of this point is B, suppose. Like this, 1.1. This is the 1.1, student. Sorry, student. This is 1 whole number and 1.1. This is 0.1. So this point belongs to 1.1. 1.1. The name of this point is C. Suppose that. And 2.5, 2 is whole number. So firstly, see the 2 is here. And for finding the point 5, we move to the forward from 2. हम 2 के आगे चलेंगे, move करेंगे. तो 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4 and 2.5. This is 2.5. Means this point represent the 2.5. The name of this point is D. In this way, student, on the number line, you can represent any whole number, any decimal numbers. किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर को आप नंबर लाइन पर शो कर सकते हैं. According to this question, you will solve the question number 7, student. आप question number 7 solve करेंगे. But in question number 7, one extra things is given, that which of these whole numbers is nearer to the number. अभी मैं आपसे पूछूं कि पॉइंट 2 किस होल नंबर के नियर ज्यादा है. 0.2, देखिए दिस इज 0.5, दिस इज 0.5. 0.5 इज इन द मिडल ऑफ 0 एंड 1. 0 और 1 के क्या है, बीच में है. सो 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 all are these decimal numbers are near to 0. ये सभी किसके नजदीक हैं, 0 के नजदीक हैं. बट फ्रॉम 0.5 टू 0.9, 0.5 से लेकर के 0.9 तक all decimal numbers are near to 1 whole number. 1 के नजदीक है. This one thing is extra asking in question number 7. ये चीज पूछ रहा था एक्स्ट्रा कि किसके नजदीक है. पहली चीज तो ना डेसिमल नंबर दिए हुए क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में, उसको नंबर लाइन पर शो करने हैं. आप शो कर लेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्वेश्चन. एंड अगेन क्वेश्चन वाज आस्किंग दैट दिस डेसिमल नंबर्स, दोज डेसिमल नंबर्स आर नियर टू विच होल नंबर, किस होल नंबर के नजदीक है. तो आप देखिए 0.5 बीच में होता है, दो होल नंबर के बीच में कौन होता है, 0.5 होता है. तो फ्रॉम 0.5 टू 0.9 all are nearer to the 1 and 0.1 to 0.4 all are nearer to the 0. According to this, for this decimal number you can tell 1.1 is nearer to the 1, but 1.9 is near to the 2. 2.5 is in the middle of these two whole numbers. इन दोनों होल नंबर के बीच में 2.5. So what will you write for 2.5? For which whole numbers 2.5 is very nearer? You can say 3. मैंने कहा ना फ्रॉम 0.5 टू 0.9, तो 2.5 किसके नजदीक है, 3 के नजदीक है, नॉट 2. कभी मत राइट करिएगा. इट्स ओके स्टूडेंट. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 बोथ. सो कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Question number 9 is very easy student. Write the decimal number represented by the point A, B, C, D on the given number lines. You are seeing that a number line is drawn in your book and 0, 1, 2 and 3 whole numbers are represented on the number line, and the distance between two whole numbers are divided into equal to 10 parts. When you will count, then you will get 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. The distance between one units is divided equal to 10 equal parts. So one part is showing 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6. You know, in this way, when you will count and when you will reach at the point A, you will write point A. Question number 9 you will do yourself. 0 after 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 and 0.8. ये पॉइंट जो है वो आपका 0.8 को शो कर रहा है. In this way, you will count the point B. By which decimal number point B is showing? Point B. Point B. Point B is forward from 1. So 1 is whole number. So first part is 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. On part 3, point B is mentioned. So for B point, you will write the decimal point 1.3. 1.3 like this. In this way, you will write the decimal number for the point C and point D also. So student, question number 9 you will do yourself. Come to the question number 10. Question number 10 student is important question. Question 10, the length, there are two parts are given in question number 10. I am solving only one part, first part, and B part is homework for you. The length of Ramesh notebook is 9 centimeter, 5 millimeter. What will be the question is asking me, what will be its length? Will be its length in centimeter. Firstly, student, try to understand the meaning of the question. The length of Ramesh notebook is 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. रमेश के नोटबुक की लेंथ है, लेंथ ऑफ रमेश नोटबुक. What will be its length in centimeter? Length, this is the length of Ramesh notebook, and this length you need to tell in centimeter. And in this value you are seeing that 9 is already given in centimeter, but 5 is millimeter. So you need to change this value in centimeter, and at last you will add both values and you get the answer. So student, the length of notebook is equal to 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. This is given. ये तो आपको दिया हुआ है. This is given. We need to find the length of Ramesh notebook in centimeter. So we know that one centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. You know very well. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. 1 upon 10 centimeter. 1 upon 10 centimeter. So 5 millimeter, we need to change the 5 millimeter in centimeter. So 5 millimeter is equal to 5 upon 10, and when you divide 5 by 10 you get the 0.5 centimeter. Now you have changed the 5 millimeter in centimeter, 0.5, and after this you will add the 0.5 and 9 centimeter because both value are already in centimeter. So we add 0.5 centimeter and 9 centimeter together and we get the answer. So the length of Ramesh notebook in centimeter, so the length of Ramesh notebook in centimeter is equal to 9 centimeter plus 0.5 centimeter is equal to 9.5 centimeter. This is my answer. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. According to part A, you will solve the part B of the question number 10. So student, today I have finished the exercise 8.1 in this video, and in next video I will start your exercise 8.2. So thank you student, thank you very much.